Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to get the Roblox Black Knit Cap. First, open your Roblox application or website and navigate to the avatar shop. Once there, use the search bar at the top of the page. Type in Black Knit Cap or Knit Cap Black to begin your search. You can then filter the results by price to easily find any free or low-cost options available to you. This will help you quickly locate the item. Next, explore alternative ways to acquire the cap without spending Robux. Keep an eye out for official Roblox events, as they often offer exclusive items like this as rewards for participation. Sometimes, Roblox releases promotional codes that can be redeemed for free accessories. Additionally, certain games within the Roblox platform might grant the Black Knit Cap upon completing specific in-game tasks or achievements. Always check the event announcements and game descriptions. If direct purchase is your preferred method, head back to the avatar shop. From the main shop page, select the accessories category, then refine your search by choosing hats. Use the search bar again for Black Knit Cap. Carefully check the item's price, which will be displayed in Robux. Ensure your account has sufficient funds. Once confirmed, simply click the Buy button to complete your transaction and add the cap to your inventory. Finally, once you've successfully acquired your Black Knit Cap, it's time to equip it. Go to your avatar editor, which can be accessed from the Roblox home page. Within the editor, navigate to the Hats section under Accessories. You will see your newly obtained Black Knit Cap listed there. Click on it to equip it onto your avatar. Don't forget to save your avatar changes to ensure the cap is displayed for everyone to see.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.